Great, you found us. Tired of searching around endless gate automation websites and finding no helpful advice? Want to feel 100% confident when buying an electric gate kit online? At the Electric Gate Shop, we understand that gate automation needs to A. Be suitable for your gate, B. Function the way you want, and most important of all, be safe. That's why we have created the Easy Quote. We'll take note of all those important measurements and hinge positions and do the calculations so you don't have to. The Easy Quote asks all the right questions to ensure that the quotes we provide offer the safest equipment for the job. It only takes a couple of minutes and you'll receive a full quotation shortly after. There's no obligation, and should you want to change your quote, that's fine. We've over 25 years' experience in electric gate automation, so we can confidently offer an expertly trained technical team to help you with all those fiddly bits. Best of all, we offer overnight delivery as standard, so you'll receive the goods the very next day. Buying electric gate automation has never been easier, so use the Easy Quote or call us today. The Electric Gate Shop, the first choice for gate automation.